adding a status bar. The status bar is the 20 pixel high strip at the top of the window that shows the carrier name and the signal strength, network status, current time, and a battery strength. So we are going to create this kind of looking status bar, but we don't need to actually create it by our own. There are these guys, TeehanLax or TeehanLax, who create this amazing GUI kit for designers, and we don't need to recreate all the stuff. So we can go to menu and choose the tools. From here you can see that these guys create a bunch of GUI kits for designers to speed up the creation time and stuff like that. So as we are going to create our iOS type app, so we need to download iOS 8 GUI kit for iPhone 6. It's going to be a bigger one, but we don't really care. So you just press on Photoshop and it's going to start automatically. So as I have already opened up and downloaded it, we can see that there is a lot of different things. My Photoshop even lags. It's really great and that they are giving this awesome stuff absolutely for free. It's like Christmas in November. Almost. So after you have downloaded this GUI kit by TeehanLax, now you can drag this status bar. You can zoom in by holding Alt on your keyboard and just scrolling with your mouse button, and Control plus click on this one. Make sure you select layer on this when you have a move tool. Control plus click, and you got a status bar white. Simply just drag it, grab it from here and drag it on our screen, and we got this. We probably need to resize a bit of it, because that was for iOS 8 for iPhone 6, so it's a lot bigger screen. So place it right here, nudge it with your arrow keys. OKL, we don't care. Alright, so we got our status bar created, and that's it. That's how you had to do. It's that simple and easy.